Here's an example of what I'm trying to do. For example, I'm here looking at this type treatment and I want to make a change to that. If I mouse down over this, I can't click anywhere on the slider. It keeps sliding every time I bring my mouse over it. It also happens when I try to change the font. So if I go in here and, for example, I want to change the font, every time I go down here and slide through, it doesn't stay. It keeps sliding around. So I'm looking to see how this can be fixed. It happens on all of my websites that I use Slider Revolution. It is not just this specific website, it's in every instance. So I just don't know if it's a setting or if it's a preference or something that this occurs on. But this makes it very difficult to use the tool.